So friends, we are talking about the power of intention. दोस्तों एक चीज़ बहुत ही clear है. Today morning I came to this place. You do not see many people here, though there are some tall buildings here and there must be thousands of people living in these societies. You do not see too many people here in the morning hours. That's because I have got the intention to be at this place, and other people do not have the intention to be in the lap of nature on weekend mornings. Now here am I, who has driven for almost 15 minutes to come to this place in my car, and there are many people who can't even leave their houses and come here for a walk. Of course, I see some people who are having morning walk, but the number of such people is not large. Many people might have been busy thinking about their week. Many people might have been sulking for some negative development in their life. Many people might have been worrying about COVID-19. Yes, many people might have been thinking about some other challenges in life. It's all good. I mean, we need to think about the challenges in life, but it's very important for us to intend for the right things. दोस्तों, आप ज़िंदगी में जो भी करते हैं वो इंटेंशन के ज़रिए करते हैं. अगर मैं आज यहाँ पर हूँ तो इंटेंशन के पावर से ही हूँ. मेरा इंटेंशन था आने का, so I came down. I saw that my car has got a little dirty because in COVID-19 days I have not been taking my car out. I again went back to my house. I got a bucket full of water, a few dry clothes, and then I came down and spent some 15 minutes time to clean my car, to wipe it clean so that it looks shining. And then again I went back, kept the bucket back at home. I took my selfie stick, my cameras, I got ready, and then I came driving for 15 minutes to this place because I had one thing, and that is the intention. आप ज़िंदगी में जो भी करते हैं अपने इंटेंशन के जरिए ही करते हैं. अगर आप किसी दोस्त से अच्छे से बात करते हैं, आपका इंटेंशन है उस दोस्ती को बरकरार रखने का. अगर आप अपने फैमिली को प्यार करते हैं, उनके लिए कुछ ऐसे काम करते हैं जो उनको खुशियाँ दें, सफलता दें, उनकी ज़िंदगी में सकारात्मक परिवर्तन लाएं, उनको सुरक्षित रखें, तो दिस इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द पावर ऑफ इंटेंशन. अगर आप अपने ऑफिस में अच्छे से काम करते हैं, दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ पावर ऑफ इंटेंशन, बिकॉज यू हैव गॉट द इंटेंशन टू सक्सीड एट योर वर्क. इफ यू आर टॉकिंग टू योर पीयर्स इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव मैनर, इफ यू आर ऑलवेज विलिंग टू हेल्प देम, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द पावर ऑफ इंटेंशन. ऑलवेज वॉच योर इंटेंशन. और दोस्तों, सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है, सबसे आसान बात यह है आपके लिए इंटेंशन को डेवलप करने का, कि आप अपनी डायरी लें, कलम लें, एंड राइट डाउन से 50 intentions. Just take your diary and pen and write down 50 intentions. The intentions could be as simple as you going for a morning walk. The intention could be as simple as you going for photography in case you love photography. The intention could be as simple as making a cup of tea and serving to your wife, who is going to be delighted on this weekend morning. The intention could be to buy a luxurious car. The intention could be to buy a 4 BHK apartment. The intention could be for you to publish a book. The intention could be for you to develop your website. The intention could be for you to do such a great work in your office that they are forced to give you a promotion. The intention could be for you to undertake some very challenging but very important projects for the success of your organization, which will put you in the league of say top 5% of employees. Intention could be anything. Just write it down. The intention could be in the field of relationships. Absolutely perfect. लेकिन आपको सिर्फ ये करना है कि इंटेंशन को लिख डालिए. Just take your diary and pen and write down 50 intentions. It won't take you more than 15 to 20 minutes or maybe maximum half an hour. लेकिन दोस्तों, ये 30 minutes आपकी ज़िंदगी को बदलने की काबिलियत रखते हैं. But once you start writing your intentions, I can assure you, you are going to be absolutely amazed. You will not stop at anything less than 30 or 50 or even 100 intentions. I have done it. I have seen people doing it, and I would like you to do this. Write down your intentions today, right now, on this weekend, and it's going to change your life for all the greatest of reasons. Because एक बार आप intention लिखना शुरू करेंगे, it will start getting into your mind, and once you read it repeatedly, or once you start writing it repeatedly, your subconscious mind is going to catch hold of this intention. And once, friends, your intentions get into your subconscious mind, you do not have to do any extra efforts. Your subconscious mind will make you do things which you had never even thought of doing so far. And that will make you a super powerful person, a person who is going to attain all your intentions. और उसके बाद में आपको सिर्फ ये करना है, कुछ डायरी को रखना है, और जैसे जैसे आपके इंटेंशंस पूरे होते जाते हैं, जस्ट गो एंड टिक मार्किंग. आपको बहुत ही खुशी होगी कुछ समय बाद ये देखकर कि 50 में से, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपने 50 इंटेंशंस लिखे हैं, 50 में से 15 तो कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं, एंड दैट विल मेक यू फील लाइक अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन हु नोज व्हाट द पर्सन वांट्स टू अचीव, एंड नॉट ओनली दैट द पर्सन हैज आल्सो बीन अचीविंग all the goals and intentions in life. So on this note, let me show you this beautiful, amazing place. This is an amazing, beautiful place which is telling you to focus on the power of intention and write down your intentions today. Just like somebody who has developed this beautiful garden area had the intention to convert this dirty looking, earlier I'm talking about the earlier days, this dirty looking riverside into one of the most beautiful gardens. दोस्तों, जिस तरह से किसी इंसान ने इस रिवर साइड को एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत गार्डन के रूप में डेवलप करने के बारे में सोचा होगा, he must have got this intention to convert this dirty looking place I'm talking about 3 or 4 years ago into one of the most beautiful places in the city, in the places around me, around the place where I live. Similarly, you can also have the intention to achieve something big in life, and once you write your intention, you are going to do all that is required for you to do to fulfill your intention. जिस व्यक्ति ने इस जगह को, इस गार्डन को डेवलप करने का इंटेंशन देखा था, उसने इतना कुछ किया इस जगह में. He has got gardeners to sow the saplings and seeds. He has got people to water this place, water all the saplings on time. He has developed a full network of piping system to see that water reaches all the plants and trees on time every single day, and because of that intention you can see the growth at this place. Can you see this place? Growth and growth everywhere. That's the power of intention. Keep writing your intentions and reading them every single day. Life is going to change for all the greatest of reasons. Believe me. Take care.